All right, so I guess you guys can see what we're going to talk about today on the video. Whenever Jim Cramer comes out and makes a statement, whether he comes out with a tweet or says something public on CNBC, usually the opposite occurs. So by him coming out making this prediction about an Ethereum ETF, he's been getting flamed on Twitter. A lot of the people have responded to his tweet saying that since Bitcoin has gotten approval from the SEC, then it's a given that Ethereum is going to get approved, that an Ethereum ETF is going to be approved. Jim Cramer makes pretty obvious prediction about Ethereum ETFs. So here's the tweet right here. Okay, so he tweeted this out yesterday. Well, 2 days ago, February 28, 2024. It had 2.1 million views. So this is how many people saw this tweet. And he writes, given the success of the Bitcoin ETF, it's pretty obvious that an Ethereum ETF will soon bloom. Now, these are the responses to where he got flamed. Vance Spencer just said one word: stop. Because he has an history of going against Bitcoin, of being a proponent for Bitcoin, and then immediately flipping, saying that he bought Bitcoin, and then in the next breath, he said that he sold it. He couldn't hold it. They're saying that he didn't have diamond hands. So now he's coming out with this tweet saying that Ethereum ETF is going to get approved. It's obvious. Here's another person who just completely did a GIF screaming inside the car. Take a look at this one. Bitcoin is up 155% since you told all of your followers to sell everything. That's one thing about the internet. It's never lost. They could pull up the receipts and the invoices, and this is one of them. He told all of his followers at one point in time to sell everything. Look at the inverse Cramer. Oh my God, RIP. Talking about Ethereum, saying that the price is going to collapse, price is going to crash. Whatever Jim Cramer says, do the opposite. Somebody also tweeted, your powers are truly unmatched. Somebody told Jim to be quiet. Don't talk about Ethereum ETF. Pack up, guys, it's over. It's ridiculous. Somebody also responded, okay, it's over. Somebody even used a meme of Ben looking completely crazy, diabolical, insane, telling Jim to stop. Quit tweeting. Quit talking about these things. Laugh out loud. Ethereum is so screwed. Do you think so? Now, I like this GIF right here. All of these Ethereum maxi people trying to go to Jim Cramer and say, Jim, be quiet. Quit talking about Ethereum. Don't bring Ethereum out your mouth anymore, because every time you talk, the opposite usually occurs. Please do not tweet ever again. That was on the 28th. You guys can see how this man is getting flamed. Please leave us alone. Please go away. Please. I'm not even going to read that tweet, but you guys can read it for yourself. Look at all of nobody is in the corner of Jim Cramer. Like, where are all his followers? Where are all the people who support the things that he say? Because a lot of the crypto proponents, the one who's in cryptocurrency, who supports cryptocurrency, they are getting him flamed. This man is taking on a lot of heat, and he's not responding to anything. Not one of these tweets is coming in a positive light. Telling him to be quiet. Telling him to shut up. Telling people that it's over. Ethereum shorts are placed. Thank you, sir. It's very bad when you have a reputation out there that when you speak, the opposite usually happens. Because Jim's been in the financial space for a very long time. He's an old person who's been talking about stocks, the economy on CNBC. He even has his own show. But when you get to the younger generation, the new up and coming individuals who's going to be responsible for the financial economy soon, you can see that they don't respect Jim. Now, what about you? Do you respect Jim? Yes, he's been in the game a long time. But does that mean that you get respect? Or should you go off the record of what you said? Because people today have access to the internet to where they can pull up receipts and say, well, back in this particular time, you said that you wanted to buy Bitcoin, and then 2 days later, 3 days later, you sold it. But Bitcoin has been up ever since you told people to sell. Why would you ruin it for us? I guess we're going back to fiat now. Look at all of these memes right there. The heat is on Jim. So we're going to look at the price action for Ethereum today, because I completely missed out on my last price prediction. I mean, Ethereum has rocketed to the moon since I did my video. Hopefully you all buckled in, because the move has been fantastic to the upside. We're going to talk about that real soon. Okay. On the 20th of February, Jim Cramer took to X, formerly Twitter, drawing parallels between Bitcoin's BTC ascent and Ethereum's surge to $3,400 and said, there you go. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at this price chart, because like I told you, my last price prediction did not go right. Look at that. It went wrong. I was expecting the price in Ethereum to go lower, and the market, after we did our price prediction here on the 29th of January, it elevated. It maintained support right there around 2250. And it's been to the moon since then. And it's still trending that way. It has exceeded all of our sell zones. Right here, 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 and here. So we're in totally different territory, price range now in the market for Ethereum. So if you've been holding the price in Ethereum since it's trade around $1,600, $1,500, you're up massively right now. Take a look. 125, 126%. Kudos. That's the name of the game. Is to make sure that you participate when the market runs. Quickly, you guys can see very strong trend. Like, the market is not even going down. This is how you can tell who's controlling the market. And right now it's a buyer's market. Every time the price dips, it gets bought up and it continues to trend higher. Let's look at this on the monthly chart since we started on a new month. So taking a look at this on the monthly chart, I mean, it speaks for itself. We got that indicator of strength on the monthly chart. Puts to go up. Something that we need to pay attention to. So we need to identify, okay, we are seeing strength on the monthly time frame. Where's the next level that we can see the price in Ethereum run? I would say around 3,700 to like $3,900. Right within this sell zone, right around here. That's how strong the market is right now. Here it is on the 5. Take a look at Ethereum on the 3. Ethereum on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the weekly. Now, the problem that's going to come in is trying to figure out when will the market go back down. Because it's very hard to put on a trade or a prediction and say, yeah, we're going to continue to see the market in Ethereum go up. Usually you need to wait to see the market come back down and take some of this air out of the balloon. Because right now we're not even seeing any air coming out right now. Okay. Now on yesterday's price action, we did see a little weakness hit the market in Ethereum. So yeah, we definitely need to pay attention to see whether or not that weakness is going to continue to happen. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. Ethereum on the 330 minute. So what I'm going to do, because I do suspect in the long term the market in Ethereum is still bullish, but I'm going to wait to get some indications of buyers continually coming in and buying up this currency. Because right now this is too strong for me to even come in and say, yeah, we need to go ahead and put on a price prediction, look for the market to go up, even though I am looking for that. Okay, I am looking for the price action in Ethereum to continue to do that, but I want to wait until the market comes down. If you're already in this trade, congratulations. because now many people just want to wait on a pristine opportunity to jump on board this ride. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and create a couple more sell zones. We'll get rid of these sell zones down here, because the price is all the way up there around 34.15. There's no need for us to keep this buy zones down around 2,000. Okay, I'm going to straighten up these real quick. I could see a buy zone right here, but I'm not going to put a location there. Okay. So we're trading around prices in Ethereum that we haven't seen since 2022, about 2 years. So it's phenomenal to see the price action in Ethereum coming right back to where it was. This is going to be our next target into the market in Ethereum there. And I'm going to put another one here. So we're just going to lay out the markers of the field to show where we're looking at buyers and sellers into the market. Okay, so these are my targets. These are the sell zones here, 4,500, 4,100, $3,800, give or take. These are the targets, and these are my buy zones. These are where I'm looking for buyers to hit the market in Ethereum. I'm going to let the market come down before I drop another price prediction, but all in all, yes, this is a very bullish cryptocurrency right now. So go ahead and give me your thoughts about, Jim Cramer saying that the obvious is going to happen with Ethereum since Bitcoin was approved, and the price action. Like, when do you think the price in Ethereum is going to come back down before it continues its resumption to higher prices? Or do you even think it's going to come back down? Just give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.